Are you a life coach looking to make more money? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make more money, specifically make a lot more money here in the next 30 days for your life coaching business. So let's rock and roll.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers have their first or next 10K paydays for their life coach and healing businesses with profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're going to be going over the number one way that life coaches can make more money this year using this one specific thing. And what we're going to be going over in this video is a new way that life coaches, are going out there this year and signing up multiple clients, every single week. We're going to go over what that way is. We're going to go over how you can use this in your life coaching business, as well as what you can do here in the next 7 days so you can go out there and start and sign up new clients for your life coaching business here in the next week. Let's rock and roll. All right, so first things first, why do most life coaches struggle to sign up clients consistently? And the truth about this is that a lot of life coaches fall into what we classify as the freelancer trap. So what is the freelancer trap? Well, the freelancer trap is a lot of times life coaches are going to become a life coach, they're going to get done being certified, and they're not going to have any clients, or really not going to have a lot of experience with paying clients. So what they're going to do is they're going to go out there and immediately they're going to be like, I need to make money as fast as I can. So they're going to go out there for the first 60 or 90 days and they're going to hustle their butt off, with one-on-one calls, with reaching out, with prospecting, with marketing, possibly even spend some money on advertising, put all this money into a website, into a blog, and they're hopefully going to sign up 6, 8, maybe 10 clients for their life coaching business and service. Once they do that, the life's going to be good for the next couple of months, but the truth is that they're going to get so busy fulfilling, all of these clients that they signed up in one-on-one, services that they signed them up for, they're actually going to get bogged down in fulfillment that they're not going to be able to prospect, market, or go out there and find new clients once these clients end. See, this is what happens when we get into this freelancer trap, because then once these clients end or they start falling off in 2, 3, sometimes 4 months, whatever it is, you're not going to have a bucket of leads or anybody over here to go reach out to. So you're going to be stuck kind of in this conundrum, having to go out, prospect again for a month or two, hopefully, find another 6, 8, 10 clients, and then bring them back up and go through this whole wheel again. And when you do this, what happens is this handicaps you from not only being able to sign clients up consistently every single week, but it's also going to handicap you from being able to make money consistently every single week, or make more money consistently every single week, which is going to keep you trapped from ever going out there and consistently making money and making a lot of money with your life coaching business. Because one of those times, I guarantee it, you're going to hit a season where you're not going to sign up 6, 8, or 10 people. You're going to be scrapping to sign up 1 or 2 people. And then what are you going to do then? You're going to be stuck with no clients, no money, and then you're going to be trapped, and you're not going to have any money to continue your life coaching business. And guess what? You're not going to be able to grow it. You're not going to be able to scale it, and you're going to get stuck, and possibly giving away your services, or possibly, lowering your prices, which is going to make being a life coach a lot harder. To get out of this freelancer trap, what we do here over at Life Coach Launch and what we teach is running what we classify as profitable presentations. And what a profitable presentation is a profitable presentation is going to be where you run an online event, or sometimes even a live event, where you're going to run an online workshop, an online masterclass, you're going to run possibly an online challenge, or even an online summit where you get multiple speakers involved, and you're going to run a specific, profitable presentation around one big idea where you can help people by actually helping people at this profitable presentation. And then you're going to be able to ask if they would like to continue to get your help more. By running a profitable presentation every week, this is going to allow you to demonstrate in front of people every single day. Not just tell people, not just have other people hear what other people are saying, but actually see you demonstrate every single week how you can help them by actually helping them. And with getting them involved in getting that help, you're going to be able to sign up a lot of clients faster and ultimately be looking at signing up multiple clients every single week. Before I go into this next piece of specifically how you can sign up new clients with your profitable presentations every single week, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can go out there and create their first or next 10K paydays for their life coaching and healing businesses here very, very soon. So make sure to click that button below And subscribe. All right, so you know what a profitable presentation is. Now let's talk about how you sign up, right? New clients from your profitable presentation. What we classify this as is what we call a sales stack. And what we're looking to do is we are looking to lift an emotion of while we are helping people, right, get our help with solving a specific problem. We got to remember as life coaches, right, our job is to play a guide with helping people solve a problem that they have so that they, right, can reach a destination, a goal, a target that they want to get to. Remember, we meet them here. They're wanting to get here. We come in and we help guide them to getting to their goal and past all the obstacles that they might have. A lot of times past that specific problem and the specific niche that we serve. So what we want to do is we want to invite people to these profitable presentations who have that specific problem, and we want to help them, right, solve pieces of that specific problem so that they can be well on their way to reaching that goal or target. And then at the end of that profitable presentation, after we help, right, those people with solving that specific problem around their main core problem that they have, we then ask if they would continually like to get our help, right, through a specific sales stack, right, in our profitable presentation, which is going to be a stack of slides where we are showing a specific offer, right, that we are presenting to them that is going to be able to help them with the specific problem that they have. And then what we do is usually when we make that offer, we're going to have multiple people who just got helped and just said yes to coming to this profitable presentation that are going to say yes to this offer and ultimately sign up with you as new clients so that they continue to get your help. All right, so you now know how to sign up new clients from your profitable presentation. What do we do with these profitable presentations so that we can make sure we're signing up new clients every single week, which is going to help us lead us, right, to our first or next 10K payday for our life coaching business, where we go out there and create or make or generate, right, $10,000 or more for our life coaching business in one single month. And the way that we do this is we run consistent profitable presentations. We look at running profitable presentations every single week so we can not only build momentum, but we can make sure that we're out there demonstrating exactly how we can help people by actually helping people every single week. By doing this, right, we're able to eliminate one-on-one calls with our life coaching business because anybody that wants to hop on a call and get our help can come to a profitable presentation and get our help there. This is going to save us a lot of time in our life coaching business and allow us a lot more time to fulfill, right, with paying clients who have asked to get our help, allowing us to have more time to sign up more clients, ultimately make more money and grow our life coaching business so that we can consistently create and make 10K paydays for our life coaching business, helping us, right, go out there and make our first or our next 100K as a life coach this year. Are you a life coach looking to sign up new clients really quickly and make more money? Well, I just got done with a free report that classifies every, right, top coaching niche here this year that's making the most money. And there's 10 specific niches that we cover in this free report called the 10 winningest niches, right, in coaching or in life coaching right now in this free report. So make sure to click on that link down there in the description and grab this free report talking about the 10 hottest niches, right, in life coaching right now, making the most money so you can start leveraging one of these niches inside your business so you can start making more money right now. Don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by taking action right now and claiming this free report of the 10 winningest or the 10 hottest niches right now in the life coaching business. We'll see you in the next video.